Assalamu alaikum and hello. You're listening to Isbah right here at Riphah Radio 102.2 FM. Ladies and gentlemen, there is an innovative idea regarding the laser dentistry, and to discuss this very idea, we have here with us certain guests who have come right over from Germany. We have with us Professor Dr. Norbet. We're really honored to have you here, Professor. And how do you find here at Pakistan?
Well, I find it very nice. It's the first time that I'm visiting Pakistan.
Okay.
And my first impressions are very warm and friendly. From the community, from the people. I feel quite well here.
Okay.
And I understand it's very hard to pronounce my name because I'm coming from Germany. And my name is Gutnikh.
Okay.
And so, but I'm happy to call me Professor Norbet, it's easier.
Yeah. Okay, that's really nice. And how do you find here at our studios at Riphah Radio 102.2?
Well, it's also an extremely interesting experience. I've never been just informed by a young dynamic lady, but that is also fine, and I'm looking forward to your questions.
Oh, that's nice. So, Professor, as we've been talking about the laser dentistry, I would like to know what exactly is the laser dentistry?
Well, laser dentistry is a very new and modern technology where we are using a special tool, a laser, in order to provide special treatments in the oral cavity. Laser dentistry is an integrative technology in all different fields of dentistry, starting from pediatric dentistry, in periodontics, in endodontics, in caryology, and even in prosthodontics.
Okay. And well, the field of dentistry is quite old, and regarding the conventional dentistry, well, do you think that laser dentistry will take over the conventional one?
No, we don't want to say that laser is taking over the conventional treatment. But we have to understand that with a laser, we have different options. There are treatments or indications we can do just alone with a laser. For example, the removal of caries, a cavity preparation, or, for example, a frenectomy, a surgical procedure.
Okay.
In other cases, we are talking about a laser-supported treatment, meaning we are combining conventional treatment with laser.
Yeah.
A part is done conventionally, and then we are adding the laser in order to gain a better clinical result.
Okay.
And last not least, we are also having still sections where we can't use the laser as a treatment tool. We are still depending on our classical tools. So all in all, we have to say the laser is a very useful and helpful tool in dentistry, but we are not saying that we are going to only laser treatments in future, but we will have a very wonderful combination out of conventional treatment and laser treatment.
Yeah, we're looking forward to it as well. But regarding the listeners, they must be thinking that is it as painful as the conventional dentistry?
No, that is actually a very good question. Thank you for that question. The aim to introduce lasers in dentistry was actually to get rid of this bad image and this painful treatment.
Oh.
So we want to create a new image in dentistry, the painless, blood-free treatment. So with the laser technology, we are using a specific kind of light in order to have an interaction with the dental tissue. And the big advantage is that we can do a treatment which was done normally with a drill, like caries excavation in deep cavities.
Yeah.
We can remove these caries, we can do the preparation with a laser, pain-free or painless. And that means we have a big advantage compared with the conventional treatment.
Okay, that's
So
really
that
good.
is the biggest advantage we can show you with the laser-supported dentistry.
That's really very nice. And what about the side effects? Are there any?
Well, in all treatments in medicine, we are facing side effects, especially then when we don't know how to use
Yeah.
a technology, how to use an instrument, how to use a medication. Yeah? So also with lasers.
Yeah.
If you use a laser adequate, then you will have no side effects. We have a lot of benefits, as I told you already.
Yeah.
But if you are using a laser in a wrong way, with wrong settings, with no education, with no background, of course, then you can have side effects which are not really pleasant.
Okay, so you're conducting classes regarding the same point, that you're educating the dentist regarding laser surgery, laser dentistry, that is. So can you please tell us a bit about those programs?
Yes. As I mentioned, I think we have a very bright future for laser dentistry because it provides a lot of benefits to our patients.
Yeah.
But in order to handle the laser in a perfect way, a dentist who has done his undergraduate education has to go for a specialization in order to get the right knowledge and education to use a laser appropriate. What we are providing are 3 different steps of education.
Okay.
We are having so-called laser workshops, meaning if somebody has bought a laser, we are providing him with a 2 or 3 day full day workshop just to learn the indications and how to handle this specific laser system he has bought. But that is the minimum he has to get. Much better is a mastership program which is about 12 days and which provides much more detailed information with much more training, with much more profound knowledge, so that he is more sure and more eloquent in his treatment. The best to be a real specialist is what we are offering is a Master of Science in Lasers and Dentistry. That's an academic degree which is of course requesting a 2 years education, but this education is giving you the security to know not only one laser but all the different lasers used in dentistry, that you have the qualification also to give lectures later on lasers, to give programs on lasers, and of course to have a certificate which has an international value.
Well, that's really very good. So, Professor, what do you think would be the future of laser dentistry in Pakistan?
I think there is a good possibility to have a good future also with this technology in Pakistan. I know that Pakistan is a country very open to modern technology. If now Pakistan dentists are of the same opinion that modern technology should be a part of their education and of their treatment, then I think we can provide for them an education, and they will grow very fast in this technology, and I can see that there is quite a big potential here in your country to install this technology and to provide your population with a new image of dentistry.
Well, we're really looking forward for the goodness the laser dentistry will bring to us. Can we get some information regarding your contacts that the dentist can get you with?
Yes. I think the best would be if dentists would have a look into our homepage.
Okay.
And in this homepage they can find all our connections. I can just give you our homepage address, which is www.aalz.de, or the same www.aalz.com. So everybody of my colleagues is most welcome to request more informations or information material. So please contact us. We are happy to provide you some more information.
That's very nice of you. I would lastly like to ask, would you like to visit Pakistan again?
Of course. I think it was a first visit, but hopefully, as you say here, in your country, inshallah, not the last visit.
Yeah, inshallah.
So I'm looking forward to see you again, and also to provide maybe some special courses, education programs, joint programs with universities here and organizations So I'm looking forward to come back to Pakistan.
Okay. I thank you on the behalf of the entire crew of 102.2 FM and all the listeners. Thank you so much for joining us in the studios today.
I'm also thankful for the interview. Goodbye.
Goodbye.